Tumbling Waters Nature Trail is located in Carter's Lake Recreation Area. That's about 20 minutes outside of Ellijay, Georgia, and about an hour north of Atlanta, Georgia. Now, there is a $5 parking fee, but if you have an America the Beautiful pass, it is free to park. Now, if you go off all trails, or there's some other websites that we saw that they say that this hike is a 1 mile out and back trail, which it is, but we noticed when we were there hiking that there are lots of other trails that intersect with this one, so you could easily make this a longer hike. And there's lots of different vantage points to view the tumbling waters, so you can make this longer or even shorter if you wanted to. Like this spot, for example, you can go straight to view the overlook, to view the tumbling waters, or what we just did was we just hiked across the bridge. Now, this was a fun part of the trail. This is a 30-foot tall wooden bridge that crosses Tails Creek, and you get to cross it and view the rushing water underneath you as it flows into Carter's Lake.
Tumbling Waters. You can see why they call it that.